Doesn't go through. Oh my god.
Okay, this one needs my strength. Okay, let me use my teeth.
Wait.
Have you ever seen a plot twist that absolutely nobody expected? Well, that's exactly what's happening right now because Nakwita and Bruce have the whole internet talking. Just when people thought these two had completely moved on with their lives, they suddenly appeared together in Durban for the Durban July, and social media has been in absolute chaos ever since. Videos of the two have been making the rounds online, and fans are now convinced that these two might have found their way back to each other. But here's where things get even more interesting. Bruce is believed to have been in a relationship with Patience. And ever since this Durban July video started going viral, people noticed something that immediately caught everyone's attention. According to fans online, Patience has reportedly deleted all her pictures with Bruce from her social media pages. Not only that, but she also went live where many viewers felt she looked emotional while addressing everything that's been happening. Of course, neither Bruce nor Patience has officially confirmed exactly what's going on between them. So for now, people are connecting the dots based on what they've seen online. Do you guys remember when Mto made a bold claim a few weeks ago? He suggested that Bruce and Nakwita were getting back together, and at the time, we all thought he was joking or maybe he was just trying to start a rumor. Well, fast forward to today, Bruce and Nakwita are now both in Durban, and multiple videos circulating online appear to show them together during the Durban July weekend. Suddenly, people are going back to that Open Chats clip and saying, wait, maybe they actually knew something that the rest of us didn't know. Cause how did Mto know about this? It's amazing how quickly public opinion can change. One moment people are calling something fake news, and the next moment they're saying maybe they were right all along. Social media has now been divided into two groups. One group is celebrating the possibility of Bruce and Nakwita reconnecting. They believe the two have always had undeniable chemistry and are happy to see them together again. The other group, however, feels sorry for Patience. Many people believe she's the one who has been hurt the most by everything that's happened, especially after noticing the changes on her social media and watching her live video. At this point, everyone wants answers. Are Bruce and Nakwita officially back together? Or are people simply reading too much into them spending time together during the Durban July? Until either of them speaks publicly, all we can do is wait and see. But one thing is certain, they have completely taken over social media. Everywhere you look, people are discussing the videos, sharing opinions, and trying to figure out what's really happening behind the scenes. And if there's one lesson we've learned from this whole situation, it's that sometimes the rumors everyone dismisses end up becoming the biggest stories just weeks later. But now I want to hear from you. Do you think Bruce and Nakwita are officially back together? Or do you think people are jumping to conclusions too quickly? And what are your thoughts about Patience's reaction to everything that's happening? Drop your thoughts in the comments below because this conversation is definitely not ending anytime soon. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notifications so you never miss the latest trending celebrity news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.